What we do have though is black plastic. And I guess that's been parked there really to stop anyone from breaking in to it. The fact that they've actually brought a plant safe here is suggestive of, it suggests to me that there is stuff about to happen, and that plastic sheet is hiding all of the bags of samples that they've been taking, probably just keeping them out of the weather. So they can be collected, or maybe they're done with and waiting for a skip. What we do have though is black plastic. I wonder what's in this then. Let's see what they've had delivered and we can try and predict what they're going to do next.